the hell was that?
What?
I hit neutral. I'm like, why ain't it going?
Where are you? I do one more hill, right?
Had to do one more hill.
Hit a tree.
You hit a tree?
Almost. One more tree. All right, I'm behind you guys.
All right.
Damn. Beat up.
I'm down.
Down?
Yeah.
Group intercom disconnected.
Yeah. I don't know what happened to my intercom.
Group intercom.
Group intercom.
All right?
Yeah, there you go. I was just trying to get my intercom to come back on. I did a complete roll. It might have been 2 rolls.
Yeah.
And I landed with my left side of my helmet on a rock, and I pushed a button on my intercom. Shut it off. So.
I heard you say I went down, that was it.
Yeah, I was down. I just got away from the bike. I let it go.
I bounced on the rocks too, man. It was shooting me everywhere. Or this is going down the river, dude.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Fucking fell. That's right where the party spot is, where you fucking broke down. Taking us down a river, dude. I just fell.
My Suzuki wanted to take a nap.
Yeah. We went the wrong way.
Think so?
Yeah.
I guess we could have went around, but we're here now. Well, that was not Graham Jarvis style. Of course, I seen him put his bike down too.